Here you guys, today I am reviewing something that every man cave should have. It's a poker set. Head-to-head poker. Build the best hand in poker. This box right here has 6 different games in it. It's by Parker Brothers. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I got this video in 4K, so I'm testing out to see how we go. Let's look at the back of this baby. Right here it says, Will you rule this poker dude? 6 different poker games in one. So, it's right here, head-to-head poker, Yahtzee Texas Hold'em, Yahtzee Deluxe Poker. Right inside here, you got a game board with 52 cards, 90 poker chips. You got $10, $50, and $100, 1 red dot, and the instruction. So let's open this baby up and make sure everything is in here that's supposed to be in here. Bam. Slice this down the side. Make sure you don't cut anything. Y'all see how I do it. Bam. The grandpa knife is upstairs, so I don't have that right now. Oh man, I didn't want to do the paper, but let's go. Now you really get to see it. Nice, good game for the man cave when the fellas come over and you get your poker game right. So there you go. You got the back of it. You can see it real clear now. Let's open this baby up and see what we got. I try to leave the plastic on it. So there we go. There we go. You got your poker chips right here. You got your cards right here. All your playing cards. And you got your dice. Ooh, yeah. You got your dice right there. And let's open this baby up. Here's your instruction manual right here. Show you how to play everything. Let's actually give ourselves some room. We're going to need some room for this. And here's the actual poker board right here. Head-to-head poker. You got your cards. You got your chips. All in one little nice mat. And let's look here. It's got different games. 6 different games. 2 players. Columns, rows. Scoring chart. You got, tells you how you win. Straight, flush, 4 of a kind. So if you know how to play poker, it tells you the different matches that you can get to win. Tight surrounds. No play. So you can customize this any way you want. You put the card down. Then you put your chip on the card on how much you want to bet. Nice little game from Parker Brothers. Right here, the whole set. This is called Head-to-Head Poker. Yeah, as always, you know, there'll be a link in the description for this. Make sure you guys add this to your man cave. Have some poker. And you're good to go. See you guys on the next one. Peace.